Lauren Whitney now. Lauren, we're still on weather alert right now.
Yes, we are. We talked about this yesterday, how today's storms would not be as widespread as they were yesterday. So there are still storms in the state, but again, we're not seeing these firing up across most of the Front Range. And even yesterday, we had these go all the way out to the eastern plains. There is some flooding down in southern Colorado, severe thunderstorm down there as well. As we head on into the Denver area, down near Bailey, we have a pretty intense cell of some heavy rainfall right now. There was some flooding in this area yesterday. We had a flash flood warning in place. So that's where the most intense rain across the Front Range is right now. Denver, for the most part, just a little bit of cloud cover. We'll probably get some sprinkles here with that little bit of rain moving through the Bailey area. We're kind of getting the north side of that, and up near Breckenridge starting to clear out as well. And then you can see near Steamboat, there's actually a heavy cell of some rain as well. Off to the west, we've gotten some good soaking rain today. A little bit of lightning mixed in there, not a ton, and we have one little cell moving into Rio Blanco County right now. Otherwise, again, you see this is just kind of moving its way to the east, and we'll slowly see that start to clear out. We do have a flash flood watch in place for the Grizzly Creek burn scar area. This is in place through 7 o'clock tonight. Once we get past about 7 o'clock tonight, most of what's happening in the high country should be wrapped up for us. And again, here we'll zoom in a little bit closer so you can see those areas a little bit closer. Again, we do have this in place through 7 o'clock tonight. Futurecast for tonight, it's not looking very impressive. We'll see this rain continue for a little while longer. It's gone by late night tonight, and by tomorrow morning we wake up to sunshine pretty much statewide. There will be a chance of a few more thunderstorms, not very widespread, isolated storms for the most part across the Front Range and eastern plains. There will be a chance here in Denver, probably starting as early as about 1 o'clock too, and they should be gone fairly quickly into the evening hours. Out in the eastern plains, some of those could continue well into the late night hours, and then they'll be gone probably by about 10, 11 o'clock at night, with maybe just a few left in the southeast. So eastern plains tomorrow, unfortunately, there will be a chance of those storms potentially turning severe. We'll have large hail and damaging winds be the biggest threats from those storms, along with some very heavy rainfall. Taking a look at our temperatures right now, it's 82 in Denver, 87 in Greeley, low to mid 80s for most of the eastern plains. Warming up in western Colorado, it's 95 right now in Grand Junction, 90 in Rifle, 60s to the 80s in the high country, and we have 76 from our weather watcher Bob Rising in Estes Park. And our almanac for today, 86 our high today in Denver, 86 downtown. Below normal on the calendar, but very close to where we should be for this time of year. And checking in with our temperatures tonight, 61 in Denver, 60 in Greeley, low 60s out east, 40s, 50s in the high country, 50s, 60s off to the west, and we start to warm up even more tomorrow. Back to the 90s, 92 in Denver and Greeley, upper 80s, low 90s on the eastern plains on Saturday. You'll be well into the 90s on Sunday for the 4th of July, 70s, 80s in the high country, and then close to 100 over in Grand Junction on Saturday, and it stays hot for the 4th of July. Denver area, Front Range, 4th of July forecast. We're looking at temperatures in the upper 80s by noon, low 90s by 5 o'clock. Maybe a few isolated thunderstorms pop up for the 4th of July, but by 9 o'clock at night, if you're going to any of those fireworks shows, we should be A-OK for that. And looking at our 5-day forecast, 93 our high today on the 4th of July, 91 on Monday, and we will see isolated storm chances to kick off early next week as well.